excited to have you here today. We pride ourselves in serving families with an atmosphere that is safe, engaging, and fun. Come on in, let me show you each classroom. We're going to take our shoes off because it's a no shoe policy in our infant room. This is our infant room. Here we serve children from 6 weeks to about a year and a half, the years of age. This is one of our teachers, Miss Allison, and she's having a great time engaging with our infant class. As you can see, each crib is tagged with the name of each child, and there's plenty of fun activities for them to do. Hi, Ace. Ace is practicing getting his legs stronger so that he can walk. Over here, we have our changing area, our sink area, and there's a little bit of information about each of our children, as well as our everyday schedule. The infant room has lots of fun every day. Thank you, Miss Allison. This is our 1-year-old room. This is the class that directly follows our infant room. And right now, they're in the middle of a table time activity and some center time. This is Miss Jenny, one of our 1-year-old teachers, and this is Miss Charlena. Every day they engage with art activities, fine and gross motor activities. We have table time. They even have time to play outside. Each child gets their own cubbies. And each one engages in learning at the appropriate age development level. They have a great time in the 1-year-old room. Come on in, this is our 2- and 3-year-old room. Hello, everybody.
Say hi.
In our 2- and 3-year-old room, children are able to engage in early potty training, reading time, writing time, and engaging with the teacher.
That's a lot of cars.
Right now, our children are enjoying some story time with our teacher, Miss Jessica. Hi, Miss Jessica.
Hi. You okay?
Take a picture.
Are you ready? Listen to the red. Look, now it's the piggies. You see the piggies? They're ready to roll in the mud?
In this room, our students are able to partake in potty training with a potty directly in their room. So this gives them an opportunity to go anytime that they need to and become comfortable with learning how to go to the potty every day. Parents really enjoy that.
We're gonna go.
This is our wall of love where you can see each family and who's part of each student's family. We have a great time in our 2- and 3-year-old. Come on in. Come on in. This is our over 3s room. Right now, they're in the middle of circle time and story time. In this class, Miss Cindy prepares them for our pre-K classroom that begins to get our children ready for kindergarten.
Skin does not grow.
Come on over, see? Circle time a little closer.
When the caterpillar gets too big for his skin, it splits down the back. Can my friend show me how we sit crisscross applesauce? Yes.
Here you can see them learning
The
about
caterpillar
painting,
crawls
their letters,
right out of its own skin.
reading,
It has new
and
skin
the fundamentals
underneath,
of math.
and it's called molting. Can you say molting?
Each classroom is assigned with different centers. Housekeeping,
Caterpillar to a
science,
butterfly, it's what?
blocks.
Metamorphosis. Excellent.
And as usual with every class,
Caterpillar crawls out of its skin.
there are lesson plans and their schedules for each day is posted up here, along with a little bio about each of their teachers.
After many days, the caterpillar is finished growing. What do you think's going to happen after it's finished growing? Butterfly, what do you think?
Come on in, this is our school age room. We call this Beyond the Bell. In this room, our school age children, ranging from kindergarten to 5th grade, are able to come in the mornings and after school in the afternoons and continue in their education through play and through engagement with programs such as STEM, science programs,
Good job.
and arts and crafts.
Can you write your name?
Yep.
This is one of our teachers, Miss Tamika. Hello, Miss Tamika.
Hello, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we are experimenting with the rainbow. This is supposed to be here, and I give them a name tag, and they gotta write their name, and they supposed to just basically draw themselves and however they feel, whatever they want to do is all on them. No instructions, just a face and a whole bunch of supplies.
I love it. Thank you, Miss Tamika.
No problem.
And as usual with the other classes, we have some information about some of our teachers and their posted schedule as well as their lesson plan. Over in the corner, you'll see that they have a computer corner where they're able to engage in computer games through learning. One of the other things that we love to do here at Kidz Inc. is to showcase our families. We take great pride in our families, and we really consider ourselves one big family. One of the ways that we do that is we have a celebration of each of our families that we showcase once a month. This is the Carter family that we showcase for this month. And this is just a way that we can say thank you to them and that we can let the rest of our families know who each of us are. Over here, we showcase some of our children's art in celebration of Black History Month. They have done the traffic light and they have highlighted Garrett Morgan as one of the inventors of the traffic light. We're so proud of our kids' artwork. One of the other ways that we love to celebrate our families is by showcasing our students' birthdays. So on this wall, you'll always see each birthday for each month and celebrating that. Another way that we've celebrated in this month is by showcasing Women's History Month. And so we've been able to show Valentina Tereskova, who was the first woman in space. We love to celebrate our families at Kidz Inc. Welcome to our playground. Here at Kidz Inc., we love for the children to be able to get out and run around and get fresh air. You'll notice that we have a playground that's encased inside of this fencing, and that's for our younger children. Infant through 2 years old, many of them will play in here, and they're able to do so safely so that when the older children are playing on the larger playground, they have their space to run around. Come on over, I'll show you a little bit more. Each child is able to engage in both a shaded area and an area that's exposed to more sun on slides that fit their size and age. Over here you'll notice that the older children are able to play on different pieces of equipment. Hello, you're on the slide. The children love their outside time, and it gives them plenty of time to expend their energy.